Why do I need Honda Civic with spacers? The most effective modification that can enhance both the looks and performance of your Honda Civic is installing wheel spacers. Wheel spacers widen the track of your vehicle, providing a more aggressive stance and improved stability.
Many Honda Civic upgrade to aftermarket wheels, which can result in offset issue. By installing high-quality wheel spacers, you can achieve wider track width, achieves a sportier and more dynamic look by pushing the wheels out to align with the fender, improve stability and reduce body roll for enhanced cornering performance, better brake clearance. Some aftermarket brake kits require extra clearance, which spacers provide effortlessly. Improved handling. A wider stance results in better weight distribution and improved steering response. When selecting good wheel spacer, it's critical to choose a brand that prioritizes safety, durability, and precision engineering. This is why we recommended BONOSS wheel spacer for your Honda Civic. BONOSS wheel spacers are crafted from 7075 T6 and 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles. BONOSS introduces a global patent active cooling design, featuring unique grooves on the back of the spacer. These grooves allow external cold airflow continuously inside the spacer when rotating, reducing heat buildup and enhancing brake cooling performance. BONOSS wheel spacers undergo over 73 SGS and TÜV testing, ensuring they meet the highest industry standards with precise manufacturing tolerance and rigorous quality control. These spacers offer compromising safety and reliability. Whether you are aiming for a wider stance, better handling, or improved brake clearance, BONOSS wheel spacer provide a perfect solution.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get this Honda Civic with spacers, please check the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.